Farouk, what we also see is large Western oil and gas companies continue to expand and invest into Egypt. Do you think gas is going to be a panacea for the economy into the future, as policymakers here certainly hope?
I think we have to remember that there are constraints in terms of exports on gas, right? So I mean, you've got the two LNG plants in Egypt, and they're still not at full production. Apparently, you can still ramp up production to those, but we're going to be at full production very, very soon. So Egypt's strategy has to be a more general energy strategy, export of electricity, and also gas via pipeline to the Arab world. But I think the biggest constraint on that strategy is going to be really the export capacity. Domestically, of course, for more energy is crucial to unlocking some of the economic growth potential that Egypt are hoping to look in. So, for industry and other energy consuming sectors of the economy.
And Farouk, just before we let you go, what is the outlook for the Gulf states moving into 2023? You have the accelerator pedal of higher oil prices. I know the Goldman call is for 115 USD in Q1, but also the brake pedal of higher interest rates in the United States, which forces these local central banks to follow in lockstep to maintain the currency peg. So where is that going to leave the growth trajectory next year?
Well, I think generally positive in terms of growth. The transmission mechanism for monetary policy, i.e. the extent to which higher rates puts a brake on the economy, is relatively weak in the Gulf states. I think it's all about government spending. It's all about how much money is being pumped into the economy. I think with oil prices, certainly where they are, and if they go anywhere close to our expectations of 115 in the first quarter of next year, we're going to see these massive surpluses. And a lot of that is going to be reinvested in the economy for better or for worse. And that reinvestment in the economy is going to drive a significant amount of economic activity. And so we are relatively bullish on oil prices despite higher interest rates.